Hello everyone, my name is Alec. I'm from MIG Cars Christchurch. So today I'm going to introduce this beautiful camper van. It's a 2002 Nissan Caravan and it's fully built up for camping, and if you want to go for a summer holiday or even you want to take your family to go for a trip, this will be very identical. In the back of the van, it has got a fully built for camping. So this one got a very good space, has a bed here. You can just lay down anytime when you are in the camping area. So let's say when you're in the camping, you want to have more storage room here. This is where you're keeping your fresh waters. And over here, some boxes, you can put your clothes here. This is the heater, especially in the winter time. You want to turn on the heater and it will keep you very, very warm. It even has the fridge here. Open it up, lock it from here. Then it's a very good size. Adjust your temperature from here. You can put your sodas, your food. It's very good. Even have a small table when you're having the food. Sliding away, there you go. So this car also have the tent. All you need is using the bar, plug it in here, then you can start rotating. When you are halfway here, that's actually the switch to open the lever like this and hook it up, plug it here and lock it. Same on the other side, another one here, lock it. Let's keep going. There we go. So this is only for the demonstration, but once you reach the ideal length, here there's the lever, lock it. Same thing on the other side, lift it up, pull the lever, and there you go. So when you're in the camping, you want to make some breakfast. It's fully set up for the daily morning, especially when you want to cook something. You have more storage room in the back. You can have some foldable chair and foldable table here. It's very good for have some like summer barbecue with your friends. I'll show you more for the front. And after you finish the food, we've got a fully set up dishwasher here. You can wash your hands and wash your dishes here. Just leave your gas cooker here. There you go. Fresh water will come from here. And once you open up here, you can actually see there's two bottles. One is the fresh water, the other one is the dirty water. Surely you don't want your camper van smells like a kitchen, but if you do have to cook, you can use that one, turn it on, and all the bad smell will just go off from the vent right there. It has so many storage room up here. Here is the bar you can hang your clothes. There's more storage room here, and even a mirror here for you to, when you wake up in the morning, you can do some makeup. Opening it, this is where you store your toothpaste, your brush. If you're camping in the night, so you can have some reading lights. And even here, there's the side curtain. You can just open up. And if you want some fresh air, just manually open the window. Open the window, you can have more fresh air. So here in the back, press the button, open it, and just lock it here. We have more storage room here. You can store your fresh water, your food, even the gas bottle. So it's very good for camping. Follow me, I'll show you the front. So for the driver's side, you have a 1.4 liter petrol engine, automatic. You've got a power control right here. This is your power switches, aircon, CD players. So it's fully built up and it's ready to go on the road trips. If you're interested in this car, come to our branch in Lincoln Road. My name is Alec and see you next time.